Hey everyone, Clueless Dad here. Today we're going to be reviewing the TelasBaby Nursing Pillow Air. So as you saw in my last video, which was unboxing their DAG 7 carrier, I ended up getting these as a gift from TelasBaby because they liked the video I did about their DAG series so much. They ended up giving us some free DAG, and then they ended up giving us also something extra. So this is another one of their products. This is a nursing pillow, dual air chamber structure. Actually, not a lot of English on this box, but that's one of the few things they say. And there's a bunch of points like it's soft, and you can adjust the, obviously because it's inflatable, you can adjust how soft it is. You can adjust the height because basically you can inflate it, and it's clean, and it doesn't get worn out, I guess is what they say, like a cushion might. And it actually comes with a little pump apparently, and you can pump up the top and bottom halves of these two chambers, and also how to fold it up. So yeah, some examples. Not only can you use it as a nursing pillow, but you can also use it as a back cushion, especially before the baby comes. That's very important. So anyway, yeah, here's a little sticker that kind of got smushed. So they sent us this to my wife when she was back in Japan, and she brought it back to Hong Kong, so it's kind of been through the ringer in our suitcase, but it's held up pretty well nonetheless. So let's open this guy up and take a look. So this is, I should note, this is the gray one. As you can see, they have like a flower pattern and a couple other ones. And so here we are. It actually has a cover and the inflatable part. Oh, I already just dropped the pump. So here we are. Here's the cushion that you have to inflate. And it also comes with a, I guess, storage bag made from the same material. So that's cool. And here is the little pump that comes with it. So this is similar to the ones you get when you buy like an inner tube flotation thing for the pool. Just a quick, simple pump. Great for, save it for the birthday parties when you have to blow up 50 balloons and you don't want to get sore lungs. So just save that one. Okay, so here it is. Looks actually pretty nice. The quality is pretty decent. It's got two valves because it's got two chambers. And it's not really thin and it's not really flimsy, so this should hold up pretty well. I mean, unless your kid's doing belly flops on it, I don't think it's going to pop anytime soon. Maybe if someone's, dropped some scissors on it, it might pop, but otherwise it's not so bad. I should note also in like the marketing material on the box, it basically says like depending on which half you want to blow up, it'll give you a different shape. So if you want the kid to like lie on his back while he's feeding, you could do one side, and if you want him to lie on his front, so it's more curved, you can do the other side, or I guess you can do a combination of both. So anyway, let's try inflating this one first and see how that looks. So I'm going to do a time lapse so that we don't waste time. Ready, set, go. Oh man, that was really tough. That was like 10 minutes of just continuous pumping with that stupid little pump. And the pump actually doesn't work super well. You have to actually really kind of jiggle it. If you go too slow, it actually doesn't pump any air. You have to actually try to force it, so that just makes it worse. So here you can see this is with only one of the sides inflated, and I guess you could do the other side either in addition to this or in place of this or half and half. But yeah, so that's actually pretty cool that it's got kind of two sides. So actually, if you pop one, you can still use the other. Okay, so let's try putting in the cover. The cover actually has a big zipper along the back edge, so hopefully it won't be too difficult to get this thing in there. Okay, so that was a huge ordeal in itself. It took me about 5 minutes just to get the inflatable part into this cover. But it is a nice cover once you get it in. I actually had to let some of the air out and kind of shove and stretch. I was afraid I was going to break the zipper. It's not a super thick zipper, so be careful. But once it's in, it actually seems pretty good. So it's firm. I guess I could still unzip just a little bit and pump some more air in without having to go in from scratch every time. But basically, yeah, it's got kind of this mesh on one side and just the fabric on this side, so depending on what your kid likes more, I guess I would put it this way up so they can breathe on his or her skin, and it says Nursing Pillow Air on it, so you get a little embroidery. Yeah, so here it is. Overall, pretty decent. Definitely not easy to put together. It's a lot of pumping and a lot of stretching to get the cover on. So I would say, either inflate it and keep it inflated and maybe just top it up once in a while, or if you are, flying or whatever and you want to take it with you, collapse it, and maybe wherever you're going, look for an air compressor or a bicycle pump or something like that. Take it to a balloon store, who knows. But basically, it's a little bit of a pain. As far as the size and stuff goes, I think if you're a Japanese-sized mom, this is more than big enough. If you're an American-sized mom, it's going to be a little bit tight, because I'm an American-sized dad. If you are pregnant, you can still use a pillow and stuff like that, maybe help you sleep as well. Feels pretty cushiony, I guess, as much as an air pillow could be. Okay, so that's basically the TelasBaby Nursing Pillow Air. I should also note that it does come with this traveling case, and really that's the main kind of differentiator I could see. You could get a regular pillow that does this, but in this case it's filled with air, meaning it's collapsible, which means it is portable when you're traveling. So in our case, we take our kid all over the place. He's been to North America, he's been to New Zealand, he's been to Korea, Japan, you name it. And so having something to give support to my wife when she's breastfeeding in all those countries actually is not so bad. Although I will say the pump is kind of a pain. Maybe if you can find a bicycle pump in each of those countries you travel to, or maybe pack up a portable bicycle pump, or figure something else out, or just make sure the dad is along and he's got lots of time on his hand to pump, because it definitely is a lot of energy. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks again to TelasBaby for gifting us this product. We'll try it out. Maybe we'll do a follow-up review if you guys want. So any questions, just leave a comment below. Give us a thumbs up. Do consider subscribing, as I've mentioned in the last couple of videos. You probably heard that YouTube has changed the rules for being in their partner program, and with less than 1,000 subscribers, you can't be in there anymore. So I only have a couple hundred. I really need your guys' help to get to 1,000. So please help support Clueless Dad, and thank you very much. See you guys next time. Bye.